I'm at the beach today. I'm here to pick up some seaweed, but I'm gonna pick some of these up. Oh yes. Nature's amazing miracle cure for everything. The grub fruit. Pickings are a little thin today. A lot of this like weedy, grassy stuff. Sometimes there are huge banks of seaweed out here. I've been out here when it's just like a big swamp of seaweed. Not so much today. Oh, we got some up here. Look at all the driftwood. If you're an artist, this is the corner of the beach to come see. Found some really cool driftwood out here. Pieces of teak that have gotten banged off of boats. A lot of cool stuff. There we go, there's some of the seaweed we're looking for. Nice fresh stuff from the ocean. Take it home and put it in the garden beds. It's worth coming out here just to see the ocean, but the benefit of the seaweed for the gardens, oh, I just don't get much more blessed than this. Now watch when I pull this seaweed up. See all that? Those are little arthropods. They're like tiny shrimp bouncing all over the place. They're not sea lice or whatever you think. But one time I got a whole load of seaweed and I threw it in the back of the car and then I forgot about it. And then like a couple of days later I went to the car and there were these little tiny dead arthropod things all over the back of the car, and inside of the car stunk like rotten fish. Look at them all. Now, if we could put all of those dead into the garden, that would be a ton of protein. And pop quiz, what is a primary component of protein? I'll answer at the end of this video. Hola, toro. Yeah, you gotta watch it. People tie the bulls up here, and you know, you can see he's right next to the beach. People tie their bulls up sometimes, but they're not tied all that well, and they'll break off. I got chased halfway across a field here once by a bull. It's not fun. They're terrifying, and he is not really happy that I'm here. He was yelling at me when I walked by him before. So just walk by and be respectful. Yeah, I respect your culture. Just stay there. All right, now it's time to pick some noni. Now you guys don't believe me, but I ate these things all the time now. Just eat them straight. Get up in the morning, eat a half a noni. Your tongue goes numb, feels awesome. Drink some coffee, eat another noni, smoke a cigar, eat another noni, then you're ready for the day. So I'm gonna put it in my next book. There we go. Fistful of nonis. Here's another pop quiz. What is this beachside plant? Probably be able to recognize it by the flower. Does that look familiar to you? Here's the leaves. Here's the flower. Tell me what you think it is. I'll put the answer at the end of the video. Thank you all for joining me. It's kind of an informal video today. I'm gonna take the seaweed home and rinse it out, throw it on the garden beds, use it for mulch. It's gonna be fantastic. Really good for the garden, and you can do it too at home if you have access to seaweed. If you don't, you buy kelp meal and put that on. That stuff is great. And I wanted to tell you my book, Totally Crazy Easy Florida Gardening, my very popular Florida gardening book. If you go and read the reviews, it sells well. It's got a lot of nice reviews. I put it on sale this week because a lot of people are getting their gardens started in Florida. Put it on sale this week for $1.99 on Kindle, but that's only for like another day or so. So go check it out. I'll put a link in the description. If you want to have absolute success in Florida gardening, Totally Crazy Easy Florida Gardening is the book, and a link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Catch up with you all soon. Until next time, may your thumbs always be green. For those of you that didn't get it, bay beans. Pretty cool, huh? Primary component of protein is nitrogen. Something that's high in protein, like blood meal, it's high in nitrogen. Bodies of tiny insects are high in nitrogen. There's a little science for you homeschool kids out there. Do your science. Yeah. Went down to the beach and picked up some seaweed with little arthropods all up in that stuff. Gonna bring home a great big pile. Gonna wear a smile, got the micronutrient style. Here we go, all around. I'm gonna throw it down the rows, put it on the ground. All the worms are coming up and the nutrients going in. Everybody's like, wow, they look so red. I'm gonna be like, oh, that's tons of seaweed. And you'll be like, yeah. Walk on by the bowl. Walk by. Walk by. Walk by. Everything is fine. I'm not gonna get attacked by a bull. Everything's fine. Oh, he's wagging his tail. That's good.